Make hiring more effective in Greenhouse with KrispCall. Greenhouse centralizes your recruiting and hiring workflows, while without KrispCall, phone activities simply live outside your one-and-done hiring platform, creating gaps and friction while screening, shortlisting, and onboarding. Integrating Greenhouse in KrispCall, those hurdles simply stay away. Instead, bringing full context by syncing contacts, call logs, notes, recordings, and saving more time with features to make calls and send SMS within your ATS. Let's start by setting it up step by step. First, sign up or log in to your KrispCall account, go to Settings, then to Integrations, search for Greenhouse, and click Connect. A pop-up will ask for your Greenhouse credentials. Head over to the Greenhouse account. Now, in the search bar, search for API. Click on API Credentials, then on Create New API Credentials. Here, keep the API type as Harvest, partner as Custom, a recognizable description, and click on Manage Permissions. Copy the API key, then check Select All under Manage Permissions. Head back to KrispCall, enter the API key along with your Greenhouse email, and click on Connect Now. The integration is connected successfully. After that, customize your sync preferences in the integration settings. In General Settings, enable and disable syncs for contacts and notes. In Workflow Settings, select the log, SMS, and voicemail activities you need to sync. Then, in Connected Numbers, add the numbers you want to use for calls and SMS in the integration. Once done, start by creating and importing contacts in KrispCall. There's no need to repeat the process with this integration. Head over to your Greenhouse account and find your applicant's contact details ready to be reached out to. But before making calls, install the KrispCall dialer extension on your browser. Then click on the KrispCall icon, choose the call option, and as the dialer opens, start talking to your candidates without leaving the Greenhouse dashboard. During calls, even add call notes that sync directly to your applicant's notes. Also, the calls log, their recordings, and SMS directly sync in each candidate's profile. Even sending SMS updates is simple. After clicking the KrispCall icon, choose the SMS option, type your message in the dialer, and just hit send. Even the outbound SMS logs sync in the candidate's notes. And don't worry about missed calls either. Voicemails sync as links that you can directly listen to and make the required decisions immediately. With Greenhouse and KrispCall working together, every hiring conversation stays exactly where it belongs, inside your ATS. No switching tools, no lost context, and no delays between candidate touchpoints. Visit KrispCall.com and integrate Greenhouse today.